Hello, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to record your screen with OBS for completely free. So without further ado, let me show you how. So hello guys, so recording your screen with OBS is pretty easy, right? So the first thing you do after opening your screen, you have an interface that looks like this. So it looks like this, so you maximize it, and so this is the settings you can use to get the maximum output for your recording. So here by default, you see start streaming on the right end. You see start screening, start recording, right? So I'm using OBS to record this right now so that you get this, right? So before now you see stop recording, so you click on start recording, it records everything. But for this is the important settings that you have to do it. Now you have to do, right? So here you see sources. So the sources is where you add sources for your recording, where in case you have 2-3 monitors or you want to record another source, right, you can just do it here. So you see here display capture. So display capture captures everything that happens on this screen, right, on the windows that you are currently. For instance, if you're on, say for instance, if you're on Chrome and you want to, or any app, right, if you display capture, all these things that is happening is going to capture it, right? It's going to capture like the windows, right? So that's how display capture works. So then there is a window. So to just add on that source, right, just click on add source, then you can do all this, right? Now you can add media, you can record from media. So Windows capture, so Windows capture captures literally everything that's happening on the windows. So this is better. I always use display capture because in case I want to show different screen, right, to show a specific portion of my screen, I just use display capture. But Windows is going to capture literally everything. Yeah. So here, if you want to record only audio without visuals, now you can use audio and output capture. You can just use that, right? So yeah, so that's it. So but before after selecting your source, the next important thing that you have to do is going to settings and tweaking some things, right? So you click on settings. So settings is going to open the settings menu, and there what the most important thing that I want to do, all these are pretty like okay, unless you want to do streaming. But so now you can change the appearance if you want. Here I like Yani Acre, but you can change the style if you are a fan of light mode, which I don't like using light mode. I prefer light dark mode because it's good for my eyes. You can click on that. Then here, very importantly, the output. So this is how you want your videos to look at at the end of recording. So here bitrate, now 160 bitrate, which is pretty standard for very clear audio, right? So you can leave it at that. Then video bitrate, so 2500 kps. You can, so you leave these settings. So this is these settings are pretty good. Okay, so here if you want to change the location, right, of where after your recording, where you want to change where the directory which the folders will be saved, you can change it here. So here is in users, then videos. You can change it to whatever you want to change it to. Then very importantly, let me show you something. So when you click on video, right, now this is the general video output, right? Now for recording, so this is the canvas. So 16:9 is for proper YouTube, the aspect ratio for proper YouTube. So here at this is the resolution at 1920 by 1080p. So you can change that if you don't like those settings. You can change it. So the thing is that whenever you are recording, you cannot change the video on a go, but then you can, because I can't change it now because I'm currently recording is currently going on, but you can change it, right? So most time I use 1820 by 720p. Okay, this is 1280 by 720 here. So this is the resolution, upper resolution I use. This is basically YouTube, right? I don't need 4K resolution, no. But if you want to use a 4K, you can choose that. So here, frame per second. So I always leave it at 30. You can change it to 60 frame per second. But then, what would you need that for a recording, right? Because the higher the frame per second, that the more storage is going to use. So I would love my video to be very, very light and simple. So I leave it at 60 frame per second. You can also leave just like that. So what is frame per second? Frame per second is basically the number of individual shots that makes up a scene, right? So like a video consists of like different still images compressed together to form a video. So the 60 frame per second have is smoother resolution and video transition as opposed to 30 frame. So basically that's just it. But then 30 frame will still suffice. So when you're done, you click on apply and okay, and that's how to have like this is going to give you like the best output. I hope you like something. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that to recommend so that will help the YouTube algorithm recommend this video to more amazing people like you who want to have an amazing recording experience. So the next time, I'm Richard Sanajin. Cheers.